Remote desktop software has always struggled with trust issues. And no need to mention the scenarios when you're trying to troubleshoot a remote server or finish a design project from home, but the 200 millisecond latency makes it feel like you're working underwater. In a world of 4K displays and AI-driven automation, why are we still dealing with choppy frame rates and finicky file transfers? Today, we're looking at the top 5 remote desktop solutions to see which ones can actually handle high bandwidth tasks without turning your CPU into a space heater. Remotely is a remote desktop platform built for people who need serious performance without compromises. It blends secure remote access with features usually reserved for high-end gaming, including 4K HDR visuals and a low-latency game mode. In this video, we walk through how the software works, how easy it is to set up, and why it changes the way users think about accessing their hardware from anywhere. Getting started is simple. You download the Remotely app on both the host computer and the device you're using, then create a free account that securely links them. It is worth noting that the free version is available for everyone, offering unlimited P2P connectivity and a 4 GB monthly transfer allowance for free. Once connected, the remote desktop opens in a window with full audio and video streaming. You can even manage your PC on the move using the free advanced mobile app. Mouse and keyboard input feel natural, and switching control back to your local system is quick. Built-in controls let you manage settings, audio, displays, and security without interrupting your session. While others stop at 60 FPS, Remotely can stream at 120 FPS in 4K with HDR, making it a powerhouse for AAA titles. In our testing, we achieved 0 millisecond latency in P2P connections in just 4 to 5 milliseconds via a relay server, which is faster than Windows' own native streaming to a second monitor. Connecting additional computers is just as straightforward, with device authorization adding an extra layer of protection. To ensure your data stays private, the platform utilizes end-to-end encryption with the best encryption algorithms available and strict connection validation. For gaming, Remotely automatically switches into game mode, reducing input lag and keeping controls locked where they belong. The result is a remote experience that feels fast, stable, and reliable. For users who want high-quality access to their PC from anywhere, Remotely stands out as a strong option worth trying. Moving on to the next one, Helpwire is way more than just a basic app. It's actually the smartest pick if you want deep features without spending any cash. Think about the usual issues with free software. They always seem to time out your sessions or hide the best tools behind a subscription. That kind of stuff is fine for a quick favor, but it's a huge pain when you're trying to provide real support for clients or even your parents. Helpwire changes the game by giving you a full-featured experience for free, whether you're using it for a hobby or your business. You start a connection by just sending over one secure link, so you can jump right in without messing around with any annoying access codes. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, which means it stays flexible for pretty much any tech setup you run into. The management side of things is great too, with contact lists and notes to keep you organized, plus things like file sharing and chat to keep things moving. Also, Windows and Mac users get unattended access right now, and Linux support is on the way. In an industry where you usually have to settle for less, Helpwire really stands out by giving you every tool you need without any trade-offs. Next on the list is Splashtop, a tool that's very popular with big companies and people who need a fast connection. While Helpwire is great for fixing quick problems, Splashtop is built to be so smooth that it feels like you're right there at your desk. This is why people who edit videos or create digital art love using it, because they can't have any delays or blurry screens. We found that this tool works really well for high-quality video and clear sound, which many other tools don't really focus on. Splashtop is a great replacement for AnyDesk because they have different plans based on what you actually need. They have versions for just one person, small offices, or even huge tech departments. If you run a tech team, you'll like how easy it is to set up on many computers at once and control who sees what. We also saw that they take safety very seriously by following important privacy rules, which is vital if you're working with private files. The software is easy to use, and they have a phone app that actually works very well. It lets you run your computer from a phone using simple finger movements that make sense. It's not a free program, but the reliable connection you get is usually worth the price for teams. It's a solid, trustworthy tool that doesn't try to do too much, but it's perfect for getting work done quickly and safely all day long.
Next on our list is Zoho Assist.
This is a great choice if your company already uses other Zoho tools for work. Zoho makes a lot of different business programs, and this one is made to work perfectly with them. If you work in customer service, it saves a lot of time because you can see all of a customer's info in the same window where you're fixing their computer. You don't have to keep clicking back and forth between different apps. One thing we really like is that the person fixing the computer doesn't need to download a big program. You can just open your internet browser, log in, and start helping someone on a Windows PC, a Mac, or even a phone. Zoho is also great for unattended access, which is a fancy way of saying you can log into a computer even when nobody's sitting there. This is perfect for tech experts who need to update office computers late at night or check on servers. It also has a built-in way to talk or even use video during the session. This makes it easy to explain what you're doing without having to call the person on a separate phone. There's a free version you can use for yourself, but it only lets you handle 5 computers. If you have a growing business and need to record your work or see detailed reports, the paid versions are a very strong choice for keeping everything organized. If you're someone who likes to do things yourself and keep your data private, RustDesk is a great choice because it's open source. Many people today worry about where their information goes or who's watching the servers at big tech companies, but RustDesk lets you take that control back. Since the code is open for anyone to see, you can even set up your own private server at home. This means your data never has to go through a big company's computer. It stays on your own network or a server that you own yourself. We really like how simple the RustDesk screen looks when you open it. It looks a lot like other popular tools you might have used before, so it's very easy to figure out. You just put in your ID and your password and you're ready to start. Even though it's built by a group of volunteers, it's very fast and works smoothly because of the special way it was programmed. It works on just about every device, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and even your phone. It may not have all the extra business tools that Splashtop or Zoho have, but it gives you the basics like sending files and chatting. For people who know a lot about tech or for companies that need to keep their data very safe, RustDesk is likely the most honest tool on this list. It's all about giving power back to you without making you pay a monthly bill for it. When we look at all these options, the best choice really depends on your specific situation. All you need to do is figure out what you really want and then make the call. Make sure to download the one that fits your workflow and let us know which one worked best for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.